Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, we're going to start putting these beams in place where they're going to be for the next 100+ years. So I want to make sure to get all my measurements right and get them exactly how I want them, because once I nail them in, they're not coming unnailed. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put your questions in the comment section and enjoy the next clip. Here we go. Everybody, so I've got that beam nailed in. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my supports now that it's married to the floor joist, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my next beam installed. And then later, once I get all my beams installed, I'll actually come back in and I'll drop a plumb down and level out a little pad just to make sure it's nice and perfectly level. And that's where I'm gonna put my just one center block under each of these center support points. And that way I've got it perfectly centered below the beam, and that way when I can go ahead and cut my post to fit that height perfectly, and to make sure that it's I can come back in and I can make sure it's perfectly level. The floor is actually level, which it should be. I think the weight of these beams won't sag it down at all, and if it does, it won't be much. So the next clip is I'm going to be removing these, and then I'll start putting in my next beam. So here we go. Hey everybody, Bigfoot here. So that's gonna be a wrap for the day. I got the 2 beams in. I got them married together and I got them married to the joist. And so I'm gonna call it for now and we'll see if I get on it later today. If not, hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and go check out some of our other content for updates on other things that we're doing out here. Appreciate everybody watching. Bigfoot out.